Nick, what are we installing today?
An S&B tank on Chris's truck. What do we got? 60G tank? 60 gallons?
60 gallons.
This is new stuff, huh? So if you guys didn't watch them, we have 3-part series that will link in the description below of doing the Kelderman install on this truck. And today, Nick's gonna be installing one of the first S&B fuel tanks. It's like a 60-gallon tank. Probably just do a little bit of time lapse, see how the install goes, and talk to Nick after he's done installing it. So the S&B tank went super smoothly. We got the tank in now. Chris has got 60 plus gallons of fuel he can fill up and go cruise on. Should be able to go pretty far on one tank of fuel. Pretty good, pretty good. I don't know what the fuck to say. All right guys, so we are jumping around. Earlier last week, I had started a little bit of my transmission on my race truck. We are doing a 4R Ford transmission. So this is the conversion kit to Cummins, and it's from D-Stroked. And then we got ourselves a Ford starter and some random bolts. And basically here's the back of the engine. I did have to grind off a little piece of the block right here. So I did that, made sure everything was nice and covered. So now we can bolt this up. Once we bolt this up, we'll probably, I'm not sure if I don't know if I have bolts for that yet. And if I do have all the bolts, then we're gonna bolt the transmission, T-case, cross member, all that jazz. So we'll kind of see what happens. But in the meantime, we're definitely gonna bolt that up right now. So we got our adapter plate in now. We're gonna bolt in our flex plate, and then from our flex plate, our bell housing, and it will mount up to this, and then from the bell housing we can then get our torque converter bolts in from here. And yeah, that's starting to look good. So yeah, I started basically getting the adapter plate to go from the Cummins to the Ford transmission. We got the adapter plate in and the flex plate in. So as you can see, adapter plate, flex plate are both in, and then we got the Ford transmission here, fully built and powder coated, looking really good. Got the ATS torque converter, 5-star. This has every billet part that they make, so I'm pretty excited about it. So yeah, we are gonna see what happens and try to get this in tonight. So this is actually a Ford SUPERDUTY starter for a 6-liter. You got one Allen on the back, and then there's a bolt on the other side right here and right here. So we got that in and tightened, and it barely clears. There is like a piece of paper thickness between the oil pan and the starter. And I don't think I'm gonna get the torque converter bolts through the flex plate. Those go right here. Tonight I kind of just want to get this in. I probably won't get the T-case in until tomorrow, just because I'm probably going to need a hand. So I guess we'll see how it looks, but pretty excited. So we're gonna just go on and go with it. Guys, transmission is bolted up, bolted and torqued. So we're gonna see kind of what this cross member is gonna look like. Essentially, this is the new piece, and this bolts up to the back of the transmission. Then this piece goes into the OEM mount, like so. Then the OEM mount goes into here. But unfortunately, I don't have nuts for this. The bolts that go from here inside. Actually, what is this? I wonder if these are our bolts. Stand by. All right, guys, check it out. Woo! Transmission is in. This is as far as I'm getting tonight. But yeah, everything is in. I gotta tighten these nuts up. There's 3 bolts that go through the cross member that need to be tightened. I gotta put nuts and tighten the other ones. But really, really, really good progress. I mean, this is the first time I've actually worked on this truck in probably at least 6 years, maybe a little bit more. So super stoked about this, guys. Alright guys, so we have, we thought we had a T-case problem, but it was just, the Ford to Dodge was just slightly different, but we were able to figure out what we needed to do, and as you can see, tightening down the transfer case right now as we speak, so all this stuff is in. So yeah, pretty excited to finally get some work done on this truck. So thank you guys so much for watching our videos. And guess what? The McLaren exhaust should be done today. So you guys will see that install in the next video. And we also got Automobilia Exotica Rally. So smash the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you guys in the next video.